See decimal expansion of any number or any fractions. Example, if you have 2 by 5, okay, this is the fraction. You can find its decimal expansion. Decimal expansion means you have to find its value in terms of the point. So 5 divides 2. You can see in the rough work, 5 divides 2. Okay, 2 is smaller than 5, so you can put for 0. 5 0 times 0. Okay, so subtract 0 from this 2, you get 2. Again, this will be smaller. Now after this point, putting 0, put your point now. Okay, so with the help of this point, you can put here 0. Clear? So now 5 4s are 20. Subtract 20 from 20, there will be no number. Therefore, when 2 divides by 5, this will be 0.4. Okay, now similarly you can find any decimal expansion of a fraction, given fraction. When you divide, you can check in a rough work. Okay, this is called decimal expansion. Okay, and there is another process. You can find same value with the another process which is called without actually dividing. Okay, without directly dividing. How to find its value like this, 2 by 5. Okay, so to do this will equals to, first you have to write down 72 by 5. Now in denominator, if this is 5, okay, how many 5? Single 5. You have to multiply by single 2. Okay, and up also use single 2. That means you are using 2 and 2. Okay, this is single 5, use single 2 in numerator and denominator. Therefore, this gives equals to, here 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Clear? Now 4 is divided by 10. How many 0 here in the denominator? Single 0. That's why you have to keep the point before the single digit. So in numerator, how many digits? Single digit, 4. So before this 4, you have to put point. Okay, that means 0.4 or 0.4. Same thing. This is the another process without actually dividing. Another example, let's see 35 divided by 16. Okay, how to find its decimal expansion actually without dividing by 16. Let's see now. 35 by 16, this is equals to 35. Now if you check this 16 is actually come from what? You can check in the rough work. 16 is what? 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 2 1s are 2. So now when you multiply 2 4 times, 2 multiplies 4 times, this will give 16. Therefore, you can write down in the form of exponent 2 power 4. Okay, this is, I have written here 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means when 2 multiplies 4 times, okay, it gives 16. Clear? Then you have to multiply by 5. Why? Because if there is 2, you have to multiply by 5. Or if there is 5, you have to multiply by 2. Or 2 or 5, you have to keep together always. If this is 2, so you can use your 5. Okay. Your power of 2 is 4. 2 power 4. So here also you have to use 5 power 4. Okay. And same number you have to use on numerator also. 5 power 4. Clear? Then this gives 35 multiplies. Okay. Now in numerator 5 power 4. 5 power 4 means what? 5 is multiplied. 5 power 4 means 5 is multiplied 4 times. Okay. So this is 5 5 is 25. And here is also 5 5 is 25. Now when you multiply 25 into 25, it gives 625. Okay, so this means 5 power 4 means 625. divided by now. You cannot do the same process in the numerator also. Okay, 2 power 4 multiplies 5 power 4. So you can write down 2 into 5. They have the same powers, 4 and 4. So keep your 4 outside, or power will be outside. Okay. Now next process is multiply 35 and 625. You can do in the rough work 625 multiplied by 35. Okay, 5 5 is 25, carrying 2, 5 2 is 10, and 2, 12, carrying 1, 5 6 is 30, plus 1, 31. Again, multiply by 3, 3 5 is 15, carrying 1, 3 2 is 6, 1, 7, 3 6 is 18. Okay, now add 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 7, 8, 3 plus 8, 11, carrying 1. And this last one will be 2. That was 21,875. 35 into 625 means 21875. Divided by now. Inside the bracket, 2 into 5 means 10. Okay, what is the power? 4. 10 power 4. Okay. It means now you can write on 21875. 10 power 4 means how many 0 after 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because power is 4. Okay. And last line will be now how many 0? 4 zeros. That's why in numerator, when you divide the number, the point will be before the 4 digits. 5, 5, 7, 8, 1. Here now 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the before 1, you can put here point. So this gives 2.1875. Okay, so this is the value. When you divide 35 by 16 without actually dividing, or we have used another process, you will get the decimal expansion. This is called decimal expansion of this given number. Similarly, you can use this process to find the decimal expansion of any fractions without actually dividing. Okay, this is the multiplication process. If you have the doubts, you can use your old process, traditional process, direct division method in your rough work, and you can compare the value.